Why did we lose? The PNP establishes 11-member committee to assess February 25 election defeat. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the latest in the South St. James magisterial recount. 3
killed in Montego Bay in phone dispute.
Local testing for Zika virus now a reality.
And in the business day, gas prices decline.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Do you have concerns over the number of portfolios now within the Office of the Prime Minister? They include growth and development, water, land, works, environment and housing.
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package continues right after this break.